Amritsari mint chole with stuffed cottage cheese kulcha. Preparation time 50 to 60 minutes. When it comes to comfort food, there are very few dishes that can beat the very authentic Amritsari chole. And when served with stuffed paneer kulcha, the dish makes for quite a mouth-watering affair. We Cook Veg brings you the taste of Amritsar at the comfort of your house with this authentic recipe. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. For chole, we need 3 cup chickpeas, 3 big red onions ground to paste, 4 tomatoes, 1 inch cinnamon sticks, 2 Indian bay leaves, 3 tablespoon chana masala, 7 to 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon carom seeds, ajwain, 2 inch ginger cut into juliennes, 1 tea bag, 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, 9 to 10 mint leaves, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 10 to 12 coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon dried pomegranate seeds powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, oil as required, salt to taste. For kulcha dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour, maida, 300 ml drinking soda, half bowl curd, half tablespoon carom seeds, ajwain, 2 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoon ghee. For the cottage cheese stuffing, 400 grams cottage cheese, 2 boiled potatoes, 10 to 12 coriander leaves, 2 green chilies finely chopped, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 big onion chopped and sautéed brown, 15 to 16 dried pomegranate seeds, salt to taste, oil as required. For garnishing, mint leaves and onion rings. List of utensils, equipment, pressure cooker, deep cooking pot, 2 medium-sized bowls, rolling pin and board, non-stick pan, a grinder, serving platters. Before we start cooking the main dish, let's first take a look at what we need to prepare in advance to make cooking simpler. For pre-processing, we recommend soaking the chickpeas overnight or for at least 5 to 6 hours as they are really easy to cook then. Let's start pre-preparation. For boiling chickpeas, transfer soaked chickpeas to a pressure cooker and add a bay leaf, half a cinnamon stick, clove, carom seeds, salt, and 5 to 6 ginger juliennes. Do not forget to add a tea bag while boiling for that authentic color. If you do not have a tea bag, use some tea powder in a tightly knotted muslin cloth. Cook the chickpeas until the pressure cooker gives out 3 to 4 whistles. For the tomato puree, grind 3 to 4 tomatoes, mint leaves, coriander seeds, garlic cloves, coriander leaves, green chilies, and salt together until it mixes well and turns into a thick paste. For kulcha dough, add curd, baking soda, and some ghee to all-purpose flour. Add some salt and carom seeds. Knead the dough with drinking soda and make sure that you do not use water. Now, leave this preparation aside for at least 2 hours before cooking. For cottage cheese stuffing, mash cottage cheese and boiled potatoes together. Add coriander leaves, green chili, sautéed onions, chaat masala, and salt to it. For preparation, they say if you prepare well, success isn't far. With that note, let's get on to quickly make our delicious Amritsari mint chole. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a deep cooking pot on medium-low heat. Add Indian bay leaf, black cumin seeds, remaining ginger juliennes, salt, and thick onion paste to it. Let the onions cook well till they turn golden brown. After that, add the freshly prepared tomato puree to it. Now, add 1 tablespoon raw mango powder and dried pomegranate seed powder to it. Add garam masala and chana masala to this mixture and transfer it to the cooker with boiled chickpeas in it. Once the Amritsari mint chole is cooked, it will give out an aroma. This should take around 6 to 7 minutes. Now, for the kulchas, make round balls of the dough. Take 1 ball of the dough and roll it into a flat disc of 3 inches approximately. Put the cottage cheese mixture in it and press it with hands so it settles down on the dough. Fold and close the disc from all the sides to make a kulcha. Dust the kulcha with dry all-purpose flour and press it with light hands to increase its size up to 3 inches approximately. Now, roll the kulcha into a flat disc of 6 to 7 inches approximately with a rolling pin. Grease the pan with some ghee and place the kulcha on it on low heat. Flip it to make sure both sides turn golden brown. Remember to make this on low heat. Serve with lemon and onion rings, and your family is bound to keep licking their fingers.